Hello, my name is Francis, and I'm on a team with John So, Michael Zhu, and Surya Ramesh, and our presentation for HackMIT is on our product called Aneta. The fundamental idea behind Aneta is that you can build a custom semantic search engine for your organization in literally just one click. So what exactly does that mean? Allow me to demo. So let's say we're Y Combinator and we just produced our document documenting our challenge for HackMIT. We want this information to be easily accessible such that if a hacker wants to find out our information, instead of reading the document, all they need to do is enter a query into our app and the search engine will output the answer. So that the idea behind our app is that anyone can copy and paste their data into the app. So we'll do that right here. They upload it, and behind the scenes, there's a bunch of machine learning and natural language models going on. But the idea is that you don't need to know how to code, and you don't need to know any machine learning at all. What Aneta will do is it'll train on the back end, and it'll produce a search engine that queries the data that you just entered in. And once the querying is finished, then we will be able to see the Aneta in action. So if we go ahead and look at this document, there's a bunch of data such as how long the interviews last for, when the interviews happen, and more. So once the data is finished training, which is all done behind the scenes by Aneta, we will be able to query. So the applications of this range infinitely. If you're a school teacher, you can put your notes into Aneta and make a Q&A engine for your students, which makes it a lot easier to learn. If you're a company, you can put your Slack threads on Aneta, and you can almost create an internal search engine for your entire company. The limits are really boundless for a product like Aneta. So what Aneta just did here is it outputted a URL that we can use for our search engine. So we're going to click it. We go here, and now we can ask it pretty much any question related to this document. So let's see. One thing here is it talks about when the application should be submitted. So we can ask Aneta, when should applications be submitted by? If we click search, it'll search based on the model that we created, and boom, it outputted in 3.49 seconds by 3 p.m. on Saturday, which we can corroborate is correct right here. We can also ask it to give me interview tips. Search here. Boom. Be honest and natural, which I believe was indicated over here, as you can see right here. In addition, we can ask another thing like, how long do interviews last? And it should know the answer to that. Indeed it does. So, we can also ask it pretty general questions like, what color is the sky? And, we'll expect an answer for that, as it's trained on a pretty large data set in addition to this document being appended to it. So all in all, that's Aneta. The idea is that literally in just one click, anyone, regardless of their coding experience, regardless of their machine learning knowledge, can basically deploy their own search engine for whoever they are. That's it. Thank you so much.